Welcome back to Wildlife Serenity. Every day we explore the wonders of the animal kingdom, one creature at a time. Today is a special journey. We'll meet 10 of the world's most unusual animals. Together, they remind us how incredible life on Earth can be. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. With your family and friends. Together, let's keep exploring the beauty of nature. Our first stop is Africa and Asia. Here in forests and grasslands lives the pangolin. Its body is covered in overlapping keratin scales, making it look like a walking pine cone. By night, pangolins shuffle along the ground in search of ants and termites. They tear open nests with sharp claws, then extend tongues longer than their own bodies to slurp up insects. They don't chew. Their stomachs grind food with keratin spines. When threatened, pangolins roll into a tight, armored ball. Even lions and hyenas cannot break through, but their greatest threat is people. Hunted for meat and scales, pangolins are the most trafficked mammals on Earth. Fun fact, one pangolin can eat 70 million insects in a single year.
Being a man, dad, saying a brother,